how to add a thumbnail to your live streams on Facebook Gaming. You want to start out by going to Facebook Creator Studio Home, where we're currently at here. It should look like this. You want to click this Go Live button in the upper right. This will take you to the Facebook Go Live Now page. This is where you should always be setting up your streams, by the way, before you go live. And you should be going live from this page. After you fill out your title, your description, you tag your game, you can then come down here to video, thumbnail, image, and it says choose image, okay? This will just give you a browse on your computer where you can find the thumbnail you've created. I'm just gonna pick one that I already have done here for you all. And you should see it pop up here in the Go Live Now page. That's how you know it's going to work. From here, you can click Go Live, and anybody who sees or is browsing Facebook Gaming will see this image instead of a random screen of you from the beginning of your stream. Now, if for some reason you have all of this page set up and you lose your browser or it crashes or you repopulate this page and bring it back, Facebook Gaming will usually remember your title, your description, and your game tag, but it won't keep the thumbnail. So you will have to always re-add the thumbnail every single time you would reset this page. It won't keep it there in any way whatsoever. But once you add it, you go live, you're good to go. That's it. It's simple. I highly recommend you do this every time you stream and spend lots of time on a great thumbnail. It should totally help your stream be way, way more successful. And not many people are doing it, so it'll set you apart. That's it.